Sunday it's supposed to be, and I can't even talk. It's supposed to be 25 degrees in Florida. This is what we're here for. All this. Mulching all this. Maybe position it for a photo. Bing! This camera's legit, guys. What up, Stick? Look at this. We ain't hitting it. We're getting this truck though. Whoo! All the trailer lights work. Oh baby. Now let's see if we can get this out of here without hitting stuff.
It said trailer attached.
I attached the trailer.
Yeah, I didn't know. Tires look a little squishy.
Huh? You see the tires look a little squishy? They're probably low because it's cold. This is a good truck. You put heads on this truck.
I said you're breaking more shit.
Oh, yeah, for sure, yeah. Actually, this wasn't me. It's Dad. This is annoying. They didn't even like a little latch thing to hold this thing up. Why is there a wrench in here?
To hold it up?
Maybe, but no. There's a white wire not hooked to nothing.
Oh, it's cold.
Put something on the mirror and everything. This is Jeremiah.
Please listen to this important announcement. The 2022 student loan forgiveness.
Oh, good, student loans. Unfortunately, I don't have any student loans to forgive, so.
She black spoken too. What?
Wow, that is exciting. Parkour! Parkour! Also, it's got that battery. Can you hold this button down while you film? But I'm gonna jump on it. Plug your shit in. Plug it in. I'm glad you think I'm funny. You guys want to see something pretty? Look at that Florida sunrise. But that 450 looking, whoo! Hold on, guys. We gotta take a picture for the gram. Should we go down? Yeah. Not really getting the sunrise there because those trees are in the way. There we go. What? Oh my God. Are you serious? You're watching me do all this cool stuff with mulchers and trees and trucks. Where is it? Where's my phone? I don't know, somewhere back there is my truck. Right? And you're not subscribed? I can't even look at you right now. You're not subscribed. Click that subscribe button or no more mulching videos. See? It's slowing down. Can you hear it? I'm just kidding. Go ahead. You don't have to. But if you're not going to subscribe, put in the comments why. What's up, guys? Can you see? Got the mulch cam on. We're gonna get this dual tip Fecon carbides singing. We do have a bit of barbed wire wrapped up in here too, though. So. God. Y'all just got hit by a mulcher.